The planet we live on teems with different types of life. It's the only place with it in our solar system that we know of at this time. Water-loving amphibians, flying birds, fish, and boneless invertebrates. Furry mammals and scaly reptiles to finish out the mix. They slither, gallop, swim, crawl, burrow, climb, fly, and slide. They hatch, jump, tangle, hunt, run, leap, sing, wrestle, and glide. Amphibians, the most endangered animal type. They live near water as they depend on it for life. They're frogs, toads, salamanders, and caecilians. That last one is a worm-like burrowing amphibian. Amphibians are semi-aquatic and they lay jelly-like eggs. These must be laid in water, otherwise they'll dry out instead of hatch. 10,000 species of birds make up the avifauna of our sphere. They're warm-blooded and covered in feathers. They lay hard-shelled eggs and sing songs to please the ear. Though many can fly, ostriches and penguins keep the ground near. Also emus and kiwis and the cassowary. Because they're so adaptable, they can live almost anywhere. The planet we live on teems with different types of life. It's the only place with it in our solar system that we know of at this time. Water-loving amphibians, flying birds, fish, and boneless invertebrates. Furry mammals and scaly reptiles to finish out the mix. They slither, gallop, swim, crawl, burrow, climb, fly, and slide. They hatch, jump, tangle, hunt, run, leap, sing, wrestle, and glide. Fish breathe using gills to pull out their oxygen from the water that they're always swimming in. Bony fish include salmon and tuna. Cartilaginous fish are sharks when swimming. I hope you don't see one. Then there are jawless fish like hagfish and lampreys. Not sure how they eat without a jaw, but I assume they do okay. Invertebrates have no bones. They're 97% of all animal species, like sponges, worms, octopi, octopuses, and octopodes. Also shellfish like mollusks and crustaceans, and insects, crabs, and shrimp with exoskeletons. Arachnids like spiders, ticks, and also scorpions. And so many other different things, you can't name all of them. The planet we live on teems with different types of life. It's the only place with it in our solar system that we know of at this time. Water-loving amphibians, flying birds, fish, fish, and boneless invertebrates. Furry mammals and scaly reptiles to finish out the mix. They slither, gallop, swim, crawl, burrow, climb, fly, and slide. They hatch, jump, tangle, hunt, run, leap, sing, wrestle, and glide. Mammals are 5,000 species, and they are the hairiest ilk. They're warm-blooded, covered in fur, and feed their young milk. The bumblebee, that is the tiniest, but some mammals are really big. The blue whale is the largest creature that has ever lived. If you can sing and read, then you are a mammal too. Monkeys, giraffes, dogs and cats, elephants and squirrels, mammals just like me and you. Because they're warm-blooded, they're extremely versatile. They burrow, climb, nest, swim, and even fly. Reptiles are the great-grandchildren of the dinosaurs. They're cold-blooded, so need the sun in order to stay warm. One type is turtles and tortoises, then there are crocodiles and alligators, scaly, slithering snakes, and also lizards. They all have scaly skin, and on land they lay leathery eggs. And except for snakes, they all have legs. The planet we live on teems with different types of life. It's the only place with it in our solar system that we know of at this time. Water-loving amphibians, flying birds, fish, and boneless invertebrates. Furry mammals and scaly reptiles to finish out the mix. They slither, gallop, swim, crawl, burrow, climb, fly, and slide. They hatch, jump, tangle, hunt, run, leap, sing, wrestle, and glide.